What's going on, YouTube? I got a story for y'all. So this was about 4 days ago that it happened, and I'm just now getting to it. First of all, trying to get all the parts that I needed to be able to fix it, and then it was trying to find. I knew I had the tools. It was just trying to find the tools to be able to fix it, but ended up losing an entire wheel. Broke 5 of the 8 wheel studs. I mean, just broke them completely off. I don't know if I just didn't have it torqued completely to spec or what the cause was, but I mean, it was 5 of the 8 that broke off. But I mean, studs literally, I mean, I'm not going to push it back in. I've already done knocked it out, but I mean, the studs go through, took a sludge, hit it, and it popped it out the back. And then I got this one installed. Got it flushed up against the back, got it installed already, but got 7 more to go. Getting them out really wasn't that bad. Like I said, just got a sledgehammer and just hit it. And with this, trying to get it installed, kind of want to try to line it up the best that you can with the grooves that are already on the inside. Try to match them up with these grooves. But get it on there. And this was the tool that I was talking about that I knew I had. I just wasn't sure exactly where it was at. But slide it up on there. Get the Alright, why are you not twisting on? Okay. I guess the impact is not going to work. I don't have a charged up battery. Yeah, I guess that was my fault. Should have went ahead and checked my batteries, but don't have a full battery to be able to take care of this with an impact, so I've got to go old school. I got a pry bar that's going back through holding, but as you see, it's going in. Just tighten up. On the lug nut, and it slowly pulls the wheel stud in. It's not going to focus. Let's see if I can get a better angle. Oh, that's a little bit better. Let's see. Just a little bit of a gap. Just keep on cranking down up onto it until you get that completely flushed with the back. There's just a little bit of a gap still. Alright. Yeah, it's not capturing it, but that is now flushed up against the back of it. But I would recommend doing it with an impact gun. So I'm gonna go throw battery up onto the charger, but I'm gonna keep on going at this old school way and just doing it by a long bar. But yeah, just wanted to share that, and just to show it's really not that hard of a job to be able to install wheel studs, as long as you, I mean, each vehicle is different, but I've got plenty of room back here on the back side to be able to knock it out. Some vehicles you're gonna have to rotate until you get to one side, and I'm pretty sure it's this back side, but they have like an area back here that's been like notched out compared to the rest of them. You should be able to knock your wheel studs out there. But I hope this helps anybody out there, and I'll catch y'all later.